Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. How's everybody doing today? In today's video, I'm going to be making a pizza using this cauliflower pizza crust that everyone has been raving about. So I'm going to start out by sprinkling a little olive oil on my pizza crust. And if you did not know, I am transitioning to a plant-based diet, not diet, lifestyle. And I'm trying new things. So I'm going to go ahead and put some marinara sauce on here. I should have had pizza sauce, but they taste about the same to me. Some mushrooms. A little mozzarella cheese. Some peppers, red, yellow, and orange peppers that I picked up from Aldi's. Some spinach. And last but not least, some good old tomatoes. So stay tuned to the end to see what I thought of it. And this is Mrs Vee. I'm going to continue to show you love. And I'm going to always help you save on some of the things you need so you can get some of the things you want. Thank you and have a nice day.
Oh, my bad.